Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. Today we're down 2.1%, and on the 1 hour chart we have now approached to negative MACD territory, and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. And if we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we saw a divergence with the MACD, and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. We're currently resting right along the 100 moving average, this orange line, which may act as our temporary support at the price of $57.37. As we expand that to the daily chart, what we have here is we're now approaching to positive MACD, and we have not quite hit near overbought levels with the RSI. We did see the 9 moving average converge onto the 18-day moving average, and at the moment we are making higher lows, but we are also encountering some resistance with the highs at around the price of $59.48. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GDXJ. My position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry will be at $56.83, which is this range right here, and that coincides with the 9-day moving average. And my sell target for my long position will be $60.43, and my stop loss will be $55.67. And on the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry will be at $61.63, which is this range right here, and that coincides with past resistance levels that date back all the way to September 1st. And my sell target for it will be $58.03, and my stop loss will be $62.89. So whichever entry price hits my prices first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or a week of trading, we have a 40% chance for gold miners to climb between 0 to 4%. And for the extreme case to the upside, a 10% chance for it to climb between 4% to 8%. And to the downside, we have a 50% chance for it to fall between 0 to negative 4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.